You can see that the meadow is wide open. There's some trees on the hill, but the top is bare, ready to be crowned. And there's water flowing in between me and there, but the stream is very small. So, the obstacles in the path have gotten much smaller. The sad part, these trees decaying, but that says to me that old ways are decaying in front of me. And there's vibrant life in between those old ways, new vibrant life. And then there's a granite cap plugging the top. Our job is to release that cap. So, there's obstacles, but the view is clear. We're much closer to our destination.